Okay guys, welcome to the tutorial. I want to go back over the lines again. A few people asked me a few questions. So let's go through it again. So this is a path, right? So we're going to look at that path. This is what we have here. Okay? Now, if I want to close that path, I'm going to comment like this. I've already pre-prepared some code here for this just to make it a bit quicker for everybody. So we're not sitting around looking at me typing, which I don't think is something you want to see. Okay? So there we go. That path is now closed, but there's still a path coming from here. Okay, so if we go back in here, and if I was to go like this and like this, let's save that. Back in here and refresh this, I should get a new line coming from this point down here. And there we go. We have it. Okay, so even though the path was closed, there's still another path starting there. Now we can go and move to a new point and start somewhere else now, afresh. So we're not going to go back near that. That's as far as I can see, that's going to be closed. Okay. So if I do this, I should get a vertical line coming around here, and there we go. So you see, this one's not on it anymore. This is moved to this point, and that's the new point that we have here. Okay, so you can go through this yourselves, have a look at it, read it, and put a few tests in and see how you get on. Alright, thanks for joining me guys, and see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.